Alright, need I say it? Yes, we're doing another unboxing video for potentially gold and silver. The reason I say that is because I honestly don't know what's in here. I placed so much orders that I honestly forgot. Now before I go on, I want you guys to know I am not going crazy on buying gold or silver. It's just something I do. Once any form of income comes in, I actually take a bit aside and put it once it gets to 100 or 200 or 300 or however much I want it to be or however much I feel like it needs to be, I actually place the order. So that's a quick tip on budgeting when buying precious metals. With that being said, thank you so much for watching another video of Urban Lifestyle, where our goal is to help you guys create a better life by creating better health and wealth. And what you guys can do to help out is leave a subscribe, leaving a thumbs up, and comment down on this video. Let me know what some of you guys think. Thank you. Let's go.
I'm working for work, and grinding. Working for work.
All right, so now we're gonna go about opening this. God. I need better tools. This is the best I can find. It's not working. I got you now. This could be a long time. Finally, something that can work. Yeah, gosh. Oh man, so well, I do have a ritual, what I like to do with the boxes, and that's just pretty much throw it on the floor. And then we have this here. I gotta make sure I cut it in a way where I don't cut the piece of paper inside of it. All right, let's make sure there's nothing in that particular area. There's nothing there. Oh, it's already open. So, let's see as far as the price. Alright, so this particular was about 100 right there, as you guys can see. So obviously it's not a big order. I have a new tube to put my silver in. If I can get it to open. I don't know, for some reason I'm weak. So this is where I put my 1 ounce silver coins. Right here, you just put them in here. So I have one, I already filled it up, and I also have another one I'm working on, but I might switch them over and put them in here because I like this casing better. All right, and use the other one for something else, probably for my junk coins. We have my very first plastic things in the way. This is just sucks, by the way. I knew that would be good for something. So we have my very first Engelhard. Right there, 1 short ounces fine silver. Beauty right here. I love this. Even this is the actual first piece of Engelhard that I actually own. Is very beautiful and looks old, so I like that. Awesome. So I'm gonna put that right there. Oh, well, I can't put it there. I'm actually gonna. So pretty much I'm gonna actually put this in the actual silver container that I actually own. Matter of fact, I got it right here. Anyways. Booyah. So I filled up the other one of this one as well, and I'm gonna put this one right there. So I think that's the first one I got. And then we have this Valcambi Suisse gold piece. One of my favorites. I actually own a lot of these. And this one I'm gonna be storing in my box right here. Get that out the way. Almost done filling that up. As you can see, got mostly, this fits 25. But also if you put some specific gold pieces and assay cards, it could fit in between them. So I'm gonna put that right there. Oh, 1 gram, of course. I don't know if you guys saw it right. Alcambi Suisse. One of my favorites, as you can see, I actually own. Matter of fact, I think I only own 2. Nope, 3. I got 1, I got 2, and I got 3. There you go. What else we got in this bag? What does that feel like? What does that feel like? That feels like... And what does that feel like? That feels weird. Oh, that's why. This is a new coin added to the family right here. Damn, this scissor sucks. Please don't judge me on the way I'm taking them out. I just don't have patience right now. I still gotta look. There you go. Very beautiful. It finally came. Finally. Now, Silver Hustlin' 13. I saw him drop the video about his 2018 Mexico Libertine. So I liked it so much and I decided to actually get one for myself. And this is the very first piece, 2018 right here. Beautiful. If I'm not gonna take it out, there you go. Everything's just well packaged, man. It's like I gotta be Thor and Incredible Hulk to actually open them. But anyways, very beautiful right there. This is how it looks, and I like the design on the back. You see all those right there. Let me get closer so you guys can see it. Very, very beautiful right there. And that's pretty much all I have. Let me check real quick. Yep, that's pretty much all I have. And this one is gonna be stored right here in my... I don't know, I'm just weak today. Be storing it right there. So in the recaps, I purchased this actual tool right here. I got this Velcambi Suisse. I also got my 2018 Mexico Silver Libertine. And also my Engelhard bar right there. So just these 3 items right there, and that came up to $100 pretty much. $100.28, 26 cents, I'm sorry. But thank you guys for watching another video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed what you saw. And don't forget, if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing, leaving a thumbs up on this video, and have a wonderful day.
That's why I work and grind.